What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Florian, and today I'm finally doing Marches. This is March. This is March Boxycharm unboxing. I lost track of time because one, the package took way too long to get here, and when it did get here, I was just too busy to record the video. So that's why it's going up in April. But let's get right into the video. So I got this note here that says Boxycharm, and on the back is a handwritten note from the CEO and founder of Boxycharm. So last month I received a broken highlighter, which like many other people received broken highlighters, and this basically says that he apologizes for the incident, and they're always working to improve the process and make my experience the best. And it says, I hope, you know, he hopes that I enjoyed the replacement highlighter, which I really hope it's not broken this time. I'm gonna start with the replacement highlighter because that's not included in March's box. This is from February's box. Oh shoot, okay, so this is how it's supposed to come in the February's box. And let me show you the inside. And just a reminder, this is the Pretty Vulgar highlighter in Shimmering Swan. Ooh, did not mean to blind you guys. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. This is the color. It's gold kind of highlighter. So that's how it looks. It's really, really pretty. Now on to March's box. Oh, I guess that's why it came in the white box, because they added something extra. This looks or feels really, really full. Like I don't know if you can tell, but it's like bursting out of the box. So that's a good sign. That's a very, very good sign. And it feels pretty heavy. Let's get into this month's box. I can never open these boxes. La Vie en Rose. So I think that's what this month's theme is. Oh, let me see if I got the actual shade for the... So for this month's box, I know we were getting the Cover FX Perfector Face Palette, and that retails for $45. So let me see if I got the actual right shade, because there's a lot of people not getting the right shade. Ooh, I did get the right one. So this is how it looks, and I got the shade Medium Deep, which is my shade for this palette. This highlighter is called Twilight. So this is Twilight right here. And this contour shade is Shadow. This Solar shade right here, I just told you the shade. It's Solar. This is a finishing powder. The top one right here is a brightener, and it's called Sunbeam. That's really, really pretty. I like this one. And then this one, this highlighter, is in the shade Heavenly. It's really pretty. And then underneath that is a blush, which is Majestic. This is Heavenly. This is the highlighter. It's like the rose gold. I think it's like pretty similar to this one that I just got right here. So it's like the same kind of color to me, at least. It's the same kind of color. And then the next highlighter I'm gonna be swatching is the Twilight. Let me show you on my finger. I am not sticking the birdie at you guys, okay? This is how it looks. This one I really, really like. This one I really, really like. This is much better to me. I like the gold highlighter more than I like rose gold. So I really like that. This is the brightener. which you can put like on the inner corners of your eyes. So the next thing in this box is the MODA brushes, and I have the powder and soft glow kit. So this is how it comes in the box right here. Tells you the type of brush it is on the back and what you can use it for. I'm not gonna take them out the wrapper because I might be giving these away, but this one is this is the powder brush right here. And you can use this to pack translucent powder onto the face to create a flawless finish. The other brush right here is the soft glow brush, and you can use this to sweep a luminous glow onto the high planes of the face using a highlighter for a lift from within look. And just a reminder, these two brushes retails for $29.99, so $30 for two brushes. That's crazy. The next thing I'm seeing in this palette is the Wonder Beauty Peel Off Mask. Oh my gosh, I love facial products, skincare products. I love it. So that's how it looks. There's a glare because I'm using natural light, but it's a really pretty packaging. I love the pink and gold look. This retails for $34. This smells really good. Okay, so the next product in this March's box is this MANNA KADAR Beauty mascara, and it's like in a really cool packaging. Really cool packaging. It's like twisted. I'm not gonna open this because I'm definitely gonna be giving this away because I just got a mascara from Ipsy, and I recently got the Better Than Sex mascara from Boxycharm, so I don't need any more mascara. So this is going in my giveaway. I'm gonna talk more about the giveaway at the end of this video to give you guys like all the details, and all the details will be listed in the description box. So the last thing in this box, oh my gosh, I finally got an Ofra lipstick. Wow, finally got an Ofra lipstick. So this is the Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the shade Monaco. This is the shade right here. Really pretty. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Finally. Let me swatch it so you guys can see it. So you guys can. Oh, I love it. It smells so good. And it has like a nice shimmer to it. It's not like too much, but it's like really nice. And this retails for $20. All right, so if you're still here, that means you're interested in my 100 subscriber giveaway. And I am so grateful and so thankful for everybody who I am so grateful and so thankful for everyone who subscribed to my channel and who's constantly showing me love. I really appreciate you guys. So this giveaway is for you. To be qualified for the giveaway, you must be subscribed to my channel. You have to have your post notifications turned on, like and comment on this video, and also follow me on Instagram. Once you've done all 4 of those things, go ahead and DM me on Instagram with the proof that you have done that, and then I will put your name in the bag for the giveaway. All right, y'all, thank you for watching my video, and thank you for sticking around. And if you did, please give this video a huge thumbs up, and also leave a comment down below. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel. It'll mean the world to me. And I'll see y'all in my next video.